YouTube family, what is good, you guys? We are right back with another video. So sorry I've been gone so long, but I wasn't gonna tell you guys why I was actually gone, but I said why not, because the whole time I was down, all I kept thinking about was my subscribers, my channel, all this other stuff. Unfortunately, you guys, maybe like 2-3 months ago, I went to the hospital, and I was suffering. Well, I wasn't suffering, I was just feeling like faint spells and out of breath. Well, come to find out, make a long story short, I had this syndrome to deal with my heart called Wolff-Parkinson's White. So what that was basically, if you don't know what it is, look it up, because it has different effects and terms on everybody. So I had to end up having a heart procedure, which I ended up knocking it out the way. As you can see, I still got this freaking band on. Second day out the hospital. I should be like on a little bed rest or whatever, but you know, they did tell me, you know, if I feel like I can go, give it a go. Today is one of them days I'm just gonna get up and try and see what I can do, not only just for me, for you guys as well, because like I say, man, I'm nothing without y'all. Y'all support me, you guys help me do what I need to do. So back to the story. Come to find out, I had to even up having this small heart procedure. Everything now should be taken care of. I'm not gonna say I'm feeling better, because I haven't really been out long enough or been able to do anything to see how I feel. It was just one of those things where up one day, it happened, I was feeling bad, and I just decided to go to the hospital. So you guys, I say it to say this, man, I know we talk 2000% fashion on this channel, but you guys always make sure, man, you guys are going to the hospitals, getting your checkups, doing what you need to do, because me personally, I've had this situation going on with me for a while now. I thought maybe it was just, you know, like if you're running, you jogging, you get out of breath, you know, you might gas for air. And I just thought it was nothing. I played, you know, middle school ball, junior high ball, high school, collegiate ball, you know, and I never really just experienced the problem. I always thought that me, my chest either skipping a beat or me gasping for air, I always meant that I'm just out of breath, like any normal person. So come to find out, we did have this little procedure done. So you guys, that has been why the inconsistency has been so much on this channel. I can feel already a little in my chest that, you know, that it did help, because it's like now I'm not really gasping for air so much. So that is a good thing. So you guys, we are right back. I want you guys to pay attention to the consistency now, as we said, going forward. I didn't really want to discuss this with you guys because I don't know, I just, that part of my life I wasn't really ready to share yet. But hey, I said forget it. You guys have been riding with me the whole way. So who am I not to keep you guys influenced? So today, man, we right back at it. Going straight to one of my favorite Polo outlets, my favorite Polo outlet, right here, out here in Grapevine Mills. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna do a haul today as well. I'm gonna grab some things and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna do a try on at the end of the video as well. So once again, you all, thank you for supporting your boy. Continue to rock with me. Now let's get started with this video. guys small change of plans. Now I know we did say we were going to the Grapevine outlets out here in Grapevine, Texas. We went to Grapevine. I didn't like none of the selection they had. Didn't really feel like it was worth recording. A lot of the stuff that we had seen before. So what we did end up doing was leaving there, going out here to Grand Prairie, the outlets in Grand Prairie, hit that poloralphlauren stuff. So, all right, you guys, as promised, I told you we would be right back with the try-on haul. The first item right here. Now they were the items you guys are gonna see are still like I got a hoodie, and I also got something else. I know you guys are probably thinking, I know it's getting hot, and like, why am I purchasing this? But a lot of this stuff be on sale. Like this hoodie here was like I think like $40. And I can't pass that up. I'd rather just put this hoodie up, in the closet, just let it sit until I get ready to wear it. And my favorite thing about this hoodie, of course, is the polo across the middle. And on the sides right here, the red and black. I actually think this is gonna make this hoodie stand out. Also followed by this Ralph Lauren, this horse right here at the bottom. Show y'all that. I'm gonna show you guys what I will be pairing these sneakers with. I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be pairing this hoodie with. All right, so as you guys see, the hoodie is on. I will be styling with these Air Jordan Chicago 2s right here. As you can see, they're still unlaced. I haven't found anything to wear with these. This is the first item that I actually found to rock with these sneakers. So, like I said, I think by just looking at the red and black, the concept of it, you guys see where I'm going with this. That's what made the hoodie pop out to me in the first place. Because I was looking for this hoodie maybe 3-4 months back. Ended up selling out. Ended up going to the factory store yesterday and seeing it. And luckily it was my size. So yeah, man, we'll definitely be pairing this up with these. On to the next outfit as promised. What the next pickup with this flannel right here. This flannel stood out, and actually right now this flannel is on sale at Macy's. I think this flannel is retail maybe $140 or $150. I think Macy's has the same flannel right now for maybe like $60 right now. So I couldn't pass up on this just based upon the color, and like ain't nothing like a good flannel, man. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks. I'm gonna put this on for you. All right, you guys, now this is how the flannel looks. You can see black, yellow. It looks like a red. This line that's in the shirt, but it's not red. Kind of look more of a maroon. So now the shoe, what sneakers I will probably rock with this shirt, I don't know at the time. Right now, I'll come up with something, but I'll figure out something. I just thought the flannel was dope for it to be on sale. It was another one of those things that I had my eye on. You know, so dope flannel. Like I said, I put this up. This is just being a collection until the winter time. But here in Dallas, it's still a little cool, so I may even get a chance to wear it before then. So you guys, like I want to bring you guys, I want to bring you guys these two outfits. You guys, make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think about them. And on to the next video, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in and watching the video. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna